Alright guys, so I just did the ball cap method off camera. I used the wrong foundation, so I'm so pissed. It's darker than what it's supposed to be, but that doesn't matter. I hope it doesn't like interfere with the install or whatever. But I took the wig off the mannequin head. Before I show it to you, I'm gonna just tell you guys the stats. So it is a 13 by 4 26 inch 220 density HD lace wig. It didn't come pre-plucked, but it's from Cynosure Hair. This is what it came in: a cute little satin bag, and inside there is wig caps, a edge scarf, sorry, and then they sent me some lashes. These are cute. They're too short though for me, but it's the wig. I curled it off camera. I plucked it and bleached the inside. So it comes 13 by 4. It has a clip right here, a clip on each side, and a clip in the back with drawstrings. So I'm going to secure the drawstrings and I'm gonna put it all the way at the end because this wig is so big. I have to fix the middle part because it is not centered. So what I'm gonna be doing now is cutting off these ear tabs, and then I will talk to you guys about how I want to style the hair. I don't know if it's going to come out the way I want it to, but we'll talk about it. We'll figure something out. Hey y'all, so as I'm editing, I forgot I didn't do an intro to this video welcoming everyone back to my channel, so I'm gonna just do it now. Hey girl, period. If you're new here, my name is Misalaraine. Don't forget to subscribe because we are on the road to 30K. Okay, so let me talk to y'all about this hair, and then I'll talk to you about how I wanted to style it. Would I recommend this wig? Yes, and I'll give this wig probably about an 8 out of 10, only because it's not tiny head friendly. It's a lot of space in the back, but once you install the wig, it's really not that bad, especially when you adjust the drawstrings or the straps, whatever you want to call them. The lace wasn't bad and it bleached nicely, but it could have been thinner and the knots could have been a bit smaller. And y'all will see what I'm talking about as you watch the video. The hair itself was really nice though. Very soft, little to no tangling when I washed and styled it. And that's probably about it. Oh, the wig did come with an elastic bands. I'm talking so fast, sorry. So if you wanted to use it and sew it onto the wig for the glueless method, you could do that. I should have done that only to make the wig a little bit smaller, I guess, but so it could have fit better. But I didn't because I'm lazy as hell and I just don't like sewing anything, period. But all in all, it's a great company. I don't really have much else to say about it, so I'll come back on here once it's time to style, and I'll show you guys clips of how I wanted to style it, but it just wasn't like staying or working right. So when it's time to style this hair, I will get back on here and talk to you guys. Enjoy the video. is the night after I installed the wig, because it was like 3 in the morning that night, and I'm really trying to put these videos out and work on my channel. I really don't have a lot of time throughout the day to record, being that I work, and then without my son needing me and then interrupting my videos, touching stuff and knocking stuff over. So nighttime is really the only time I have. But as for the styling portion of this video, I wanted to do, you know, like a little cute twist-like style, how we used to wear our hair when we were kids with the butterfly barrettes securing them. I'll put clips in here or up here to show y'all what I'm talking about, but they wasn't staying. And again, it was late as hell at night, and I didn't feel like going to the bathroom and getting the rubber bands to secure them. But I wanted to do that and then like curl the hair on the sides and in the back, make it cute, you know. I'm up eventually probably do that and then take a picture with that style on Instagram, but for right now we're just gonna stick with these curls. But yeah, it's been a while, it's been a hot minute since I've done any type of style with my hair. If it's not a straight wig or like a water wave or a deep curly wig, because I really don't be having the time and I became so lazy. I gotta get out my mommy funk and remember who the fuck I am, okay? Period. But if y'all know how to make curls stay on wigs, please put it in the comment section, because I don't want to put like hairspray, or I don't even know what type of hairspray to use to you know, make the curls stay on wigs. So if you have any suggestions or anything like that, please leave them in the comments. And yeah, curling it with my I think this is a 1-inch curling iron, a Conair. I just got it from CVS a while back, and I'm just now using it. But yeah, I'm just curling it, holding the heat and then letting it go. And yeah, I'm gonna do that all throughout the wig, and it's finished. I did the baby hairs and stuff off camera, and then I'll just be curling the hair. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on all my social media handles. Everything will be down in the description box, as well as this hair. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.